All right, I'm Allison Barney.
And I'm Ashley Magda. And we're doing Prep Question Lesson 10, Part 2, Question 1. And the question is, name and describe the 4 different types of fossils.
All right, so our answer that we were discussing is kind of long, so bear with us. But the 4 different types of fossils are amber and freezing, permineralization and replacement, natural molds and casts, and trace fossils. And so amber and freezing, that way those fossils, they remain the least altered, but they're usually pretty rare. And the book was talking about that woolly mammoth fossils have been found, and they have been dug out of the permafrost, and they still had their fur and tissues preserved. And then the other way, the permineralization and replacement method. So what happens there is structures are buried in the sediment, and dissolved minerals replace the original mineral content, or they precipitate around it. And this method is a lot more common than the amber and freezing. And the natural molds and cast fossils, that occurs when remains decay in the sediment, and the molds and casts preserve the surface shape, but they don't actually preserve the internal details of the organism. And then the last one, the trace fossils, those are also known as body fossils, and this one's kind of interesting. They record behavior instead of form. And so an example they gave in the book was dinosaur tracks. And this is an example of a trace fossil, and it can tell scientists about stride length, and it could estimate the dinosaur's maximum speed. So those are the 4 types.
Yep, I pretty much got the same thing. So.
Okay, sounds good.